Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hey friends, welcome back to the Internet Marketer Training Channel. I've got something exciting to share that's brand new, totally free, and works across any niche. It's a new feature from Vidnoz, a product avatar tool. What does that mean? You upload an image of your product, then choose from dozens of avatars who will hold your product while delivering your video script. Yes, you get a talking avatar, visually interacting with your product, even in the free version. And you can create up to 3 minutes of talking avatar video per day. So let's walk through how it works. In this example, the avatar is showcasing a product from one of my favorite affiliate partners in the health and wellness space, Market Health. Specifically, it's their Rosacea cream, which earns a 30% commission and even adds 5% on recurring orders. And with this type of product, repeat business is likely. Before jumping in, let's look at why this product is worth promoting. Using UberSuggest, a free Chrome extension, I pulled keyword data showing an SD search difficulty score of 6, which gives us a 94% chance of ranking organically. If your keyword has an SD in the green zone and gets 1K plus monthly searches, you're looking at a sweet spot for free traffic. Combine that opportunity with Vidnoz's avatar videos, and now you're ready to create content without ever stepping in front of the camera. But wait, what about a script? That's where AI steps in. Tools like Copilot, ChatGPT, and Gemini can craft your video scripts in seconds. You just describe your product and goal, and let AI swing for the fences. I've used Copilot to generate a sample script above, and honestly, it nailed it. This new avatar feature is easy, free, and perfect for beginners. If you're building affiliate content or product promos, it just became a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future uploads.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.